Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. It has been reported by Jabulani McDonald that Usphelele Luthuli is set to leave Umkhokha the Curse and has reportedly finished filming for season 2. Now, Usphelele Luthuli is Nokubonga, right? Mthembu, who was married to Umlungisi. Now, I'm sad that, like, it looks like a lot of people are going to leave. Remember, it was also reported that Ukhulekani, the character played by Khulekani, will be leaving Umkhokha, hence his disappearance. And also, the character played by Nomkhosi is going to leave Umkhokha the Curse. My question is, how or who are they going to be replacing those people with? Because really, they impacted the storyline. Will they change them completely, or will the characters of these people be faced off? And it's also a bit troubling to say, why is everybody leaving Umkhokha the Curse, considering that it is such a good storyline and it's one of the most popular TV shows running currently? I don't know. What do you think? Please do like, share, and subscribe.